the game when you're moving it.
Show me how.
Like this and then like that.
Oh, like that?
Yeah. That's how.
Okay.
Hey, I ready to watch Whoopi. You're a Whoopi!
Wow.
Whoopi!
There's a truck like your dad's, except it's red.
Yeah, and that's Whoopi Watson.
Okay.
Right?
Right.
Because it's all dirty.
Mm-hmm.
You still tired? He's smiling.
Yeah, that's a funny game. Yeah,
Is that a funny game?
yeah. A funny bear.
Jackson, beep beep. Beep the horn. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Oh, excuse me, sorry. Jackson, look.
Look, you gotta climb it. Climb.
Look, watch on it.
Okay. All right. What's going to happen? It's going to crush the cars. Whoa!
Cross them.
It crushed them. Wow.
Cross them when we are going top of it.
Wow. That was pretty cool.
Now it's my turn. I can go.
Do it again.
I can do flip first.
Whoa. Upside down. Wow. Let me see another car crush the cars.
I do a flip onto it. Then I cross them.
Wow.
Like that.
Wow.
That's how I cross them. And now it's my turn. I do this, then I hop on. Then I turn around, then I go. Like that.
Wow.
That's how I cross them.
Okay. Good job crushing them. That's a good. Yeah. Good. Do you know what that's called?
No.
No? But it's good though, right? Is it still hot? Is it still hot?
Yeah.
It's still hot? I'm silly.
That does eat the bubble up too.
You're supposed to eat it that way.
You have
Supposed to eat
to
the top, not the bottom part.
but you need the bubble part too.
Alright.
Yeah. That's how you get the bubble. That's how.
Okay. Oh, you slam them down real hard then?
But you have to do this. That's how it works.
Okay.
And this is how you pack cakes.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Okay.
But Kevin has scratches. Kevin likes to scratch people. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Right. That's why you have to be real careful. I'm kidding. And then Kevin, and then Kevin will grab my friend when there's me. Okay?
Okay.
That's why no touching her when her is touching me.
And he got it! Woo! She stopped it from getting elected. 503, 502, oh wait. Hey, go.
That's another one. Let me get to it.
Good boy.
wow. That's pretty cool.
That's how it works.
Okay, thank you for showing me.
Your turn.
I think I'm a little too big for it. Are you
We'll
going?
probably go in the house.
Okay, you gonna go in the house now?
Yeah,
All right.
that's it. I'm gonna go in the house.
All right.
Don't scare me. No!
You used to like when I did that.
I don't like it.
You don't like it anymore?
I don't like it when
You used to laugh when I did that. Remember?
But I did that yesterday. But I like to do it yesterday, but not this morning again.
Okay. Start out slow.
Okay. That's to start slow when you're going high.
Hold on tight. You help go back and forth too. Good job. Keep doing it. Keep doing it with your legs. Move your legs so you can go back and forth.
That's it. Out and in. 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 We'll probably go back to our house.
You want to see the goats first?
No.
You want to see the goats?
Good.
Bah.
Remember her name?
Yeah, what's her name?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Remember her name is Darla. Vincent. Vincent.
Uh-huh.
Remember her name? I like my goat.
You like your goats?
Yeah, but I like goats. I sometimes I like goats or not. Sometimes I don't like goats, or sometimes I don't like goats. Sometimes,
Would you like them today?
sometimes I don't like goats, and sometimes I don't like goats. And my new house is so big.
It is big.
Yeah, but real big.
Are you going to live in there from now on?
Yeah,
You are?
yeah.
But there's no TV set to watch.
But we can make one.
And there's no trucks or cars or trains in there either to play with.
But we can go get some.
I guess we could.
Sometimes we have to get some stuff around here to play in here.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You have to.
6 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy told the doctor, and the doctor said,
No more monkeys jumping on the bed.
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy told the doctor, and the doctor said, no more.
monkeys jumping on the bed.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. I almost found Alex here. I found Alex. Found Alex.
You did.
Yeah. I found Alex.
Let's see.
Muddy's so funny that you sat on the bed. And Goofy has to be a Muddy too.
You crazy?
5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor, and the
And
doctor
the
said,
doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said, no more monkeys
2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
I'm gonna call the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys.
1 little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head.
I just read the monkey.
You're the last monkey?
Yeah.
Mama called the doctor, and the doctor said,
No more monkeys. Tell me one of it.
all right.
Good job, buddy.